You're gonna, if someone wants access to something and you don't want to give it because it's an OT device or it's something that you commonly would have in your control, automation engineers would keep things like the control panel or the control room or the electrical room as kind of their domain. But as you know, if someone from IT, uh, has a need to get in there, one of the most important things is to find out like, what was the challenge that forced you to ask that question? What are people asking you to do that, or what are people like? What are you dealing with that's requesting that? And then they might say, well, this is what happened, or this is what I deal with every day, and you come to an agreement. But one of the things that you did mention, Brian, about the patching and how you can't patch. Um, Patching is important, but the patching schedule that is required by IT is very strict and scheduled and regular. And our outages, and when we have the ability and we only have windows to work, is not regular. It can be scheduled, but it's not a regular event and it can change. So the person who has to manage those changes and those windows and other parts of manufacturing that will have to do things during that window is the automation engineer.